Here are two trades I made on the ES4 Renko on December 1st, 2011. Here's the first trade I took on this bar here. There's a swing cycle VB moved up above its variable band, and squeeze ended right here. The DMI differential dots are green and it's moving up. The DIX is green and moving up here, and an up triangle has formed right here. This was a 4-point trade, and I exited the trade right where I put in this red diamond right here as the swing cycle moved down and crossed below its variable band. Now it's a little bit difficult to see, but there's a squeeze right in here all the way over to here, and I got in the second trade of the morning on this bar here, and I entered it during the squeeze. Now I got in this trade a little bit early because the DMI differential was still green, the indicator line was still above the dots, and also the linear regression slope was still green and above its trigger line. Now you can tell from the Bollinger Band differential oscillator that a squeeze was on right in here, and during this squeeze the indicator line moved down to the bottom part of the Bollinger Bands, and the Bollinger Bands midline turned red right in here. So I knew coming out of this squeeze, because of these indicators here, the swing cycle and the Bollinger Band differential oscillator, that it would come out of a squeeze to the downside. So even though this was a very early entry into this trade, I was reasonably confident that it would be a down move after the squeeze, and sure enough, this equity went down here. I got out of the trade right here when the swing cycle VB moved up and just was crossing above its variable band, and the DIX was starting to move up right here. So this was an 8-point trade from here to here, and there was a 4-point trade from here to here. So all in all, in the first 2 hours of trading, there was a profit of 12 points, which is a good trading day, and I finished my trading day at 8:30 in the morning Pacific Coast time, and spent 2 hours watching the chart. So it somewhat makes up for the 8-point trade I missed yesterday at the last hour of trading. If you'd like to learn more about these indicators, please visit my website at ninjaindicators, the number 4, the letter U.com.